Forward number 8, Alvin Pasaol. Also at forward number 5, Reggie Boy Basibas. Also at guard number 51, Big Bang Toto, Byron Villarreas. At center number 20, Jervy Cruz.
Panandak. And Marikina, they won the tip but they throw it away immediately. Puro veterans eh.
Oo nga. You know, a lot of loaded mga veterans dito. And one of them, of course, John Wilson, the leading scorer para dito sa...
Baka maprotesta ka eh.
Oo nga, over 8. Aray mo.
Si Andrea baka pwede pa dun.
Oo, pwede.
Villarreas turns around.
I recall in the early seasons that I got to cover here in the MPBL, he was one of those tough ones that can actually finish. Proof right there. And I think the closest one to him, bench scoring, both those two. Nice pass.
No look. Yan yung isa sa underrated aspect sa laro ni Kenneth Bocon, and he sets up Bobby Balucanag who scores his 6th point of the ball game.
Because he has always been parang associated to defense, you know, defending against the score of the other team. So Kenneth definitely has that vision to pass open to open teammates.
Pasaol still can find the mark. Bocon with a rebound. Outlet papunta kay John Wilson. Shoots over JR Alabanza. And just like that, to add on to their woes, they don't have their leading scorer in Louis Vigil anymore. Yung mga natira sa roster nila, not even one player is averaging in double figures. John Hamon drains the free.
And matter of fact, they're, you know, in the lowest in the offensive rating as well. Kaya to your point, yung scorers na nawala sa kanila ay napakalaging bagay. A lot of how they attack.
This steal of the game is brought to you by the Extreme Boom 3 waterproof speaker, unstoppable sound, ultimate power.
And running the break, it's been no problem for these guys of Basilan. Really just finding open teammates.
RR Casaeros trying to shake off the defense of Grimaldo. 1 second remaining. Santa Ana will beat the buzzer with a 3. Had no choice but to put it up.
That's good.
Malinaw naman. Field goal shooting heavily in favor of Basilan, shooting shot 66.7%.
Nice
While
curve.
Marikina just 26.7%. Ralph Robin,
Bam Gamalinda and the other bigs.
Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Nakaagaw na naman ang Basilan ni Owens.
Temporarily move them ahead of Mindoro. Nice block by Grimaldo.
Erasing that shot. John Wilson sa kabila pa dinaan.
Ibang klase rin ang ano.
And this is actually his highest scoring average, would you believe, in 7 seasons. Year
Yeah.
for John Wilson, but Jason Strait in and out dribble. Bumigsak.
It helps his paint game. Open up that lane for any drives or post up. Nice pass and a good feed.
Bobby B. Landayan launches. Blanquesa, the pitch ahead. Mactalio will score on the other side. 15 points, 4 out of 6 from 3. Alvin Pasaol beginning to wax hot. So is this guy though.
Ayan ang importante para dito sa Marikina.
The slip by Jervy Cruz, finishing through contact. One more free throw coming up. Bago nangyari lahat ng yan, he spent 3 years in Team B before getting a break. Speaking of getting a break, this guy...
Gab Cometa, you know, one of those guards na masipag.
Ano, pabandang free throws yung una. Pasok eh.
Pumasok ba? Hindi ko
Pasok.
ma-recall.
Pasok yun.
Yeah. Sa dami ng gumagawa niya.
Nitong huli sa junior high. Escoto, ito UST Tiger Cup talaga to. Pasa ni Santa Ana kay Pasaol. Steal of the game brought to you by the Extreme Boom 3 waterproof speaker. Unstoppable Sam. Ayun yung tanong ko sa'yo, di ba sa mga loob mo lumipat yan galing beta papuntang pinil?
Well, may mga bedista ang oo, sumama ang loob. Pero ganun talaga sa sa basketball eh. Lalo na here in our country, you move from in the first half. Pero nakakapuntos rin itong Basilan as challenge.
Robin, a high arc on the release.
Sabi ni Coach Juanito. Ang hirit ni Coach Christian Luanson, hindi feeling ko malabab pusi. Sobrang layo. I love you, Coach Christian, but
85-59. Pasa sa loob, nawala kay Acasajeros. Mactalio.
there you go. 30 points, but on the flip side, I also allowed 25 points over to Basilan. So halos hindi nag-move yung deficit na yan.
Chicken Joy.
Ay, wait a minute. I think nagdala nga yata siya one time sa Ilagan eh.
Talaga?
Oo, yung Ilagan to Abra. Hindi ko alam malalaman natin yan. Mga laro ng Batangas. But, health always comes first. And I'm sure he's using basketball as a, therapy to heal better and quickly.
Santa Ana is back in. Drives, lays it in for 2 more. Santa Ana has 12 points. Ang magiging go-to scorer or scorers for Marikina. Because on average, nobody is averaging in double figures in that department. Neil Owens, pangalawang tres na yan for the former FEU Tamaraw.
Tsaka I think importante para dito sa Basilan, in my opinion, that they start to peak at the right time. Because as I look at all the games that they played, and I'm speaking only of yung mga teams that have winning records, they beat Pasay, Cebu, Gensan, and Rizal. And then they lost out to Abra, Binyan, Ilagan by 1 point, Pasig by 2 points, and the San Juan Knights by 18. And so if you take into account, laro nila sa Ilagan and Pasig kung nanalo sila doon.
Uy, yan yung magandang laban natin. We will be at the Strike Gymnasium in Bacoor City. The battle between the Gensan Warriors and San Juan.
Now that's gonna be a very good treat sa ating mga fans from Cavite, lalo na yung mga around that Bacoor area. They are gonna get a heck of a treat this Thursday. And you were talking about Basilan, it matters how they come out of it. They will truly be tested, and heading into the play-ins and the playoffs, that should matter to Basilan.
In this victory of theirs, should they complete this, because heading into this matchup, they are 7-9. Mindoro lost yesterday to Pasig at 7-8. Santa Ana soars and scores plus the foul. Marikina making a run. Points.
Yeah, Santa Ana right there trying to survey. Goes right through a couple of defenders. Got bumped. Pareho kasi ng kulay no?
Hindi ko na maalala sino yung mga kasabayan niya. Probably baka si Renz Alcoriza. Nabutan niya.
Yeah.
Jerby Cruz with a free. Santa Ana, the spin and the finish. Santa Ana, good pass. Pasiba, shot fake, got Bobby B up in the air. Kasi for the longest time, si Jordan, akala ko one of the,
Mas senior.
Oo.
Oh. That's interesting. Well, shout out to Renzo.
Daming alam yan.
Oo naman.
At excited na ako.
Tsaka nabaro yan eh.
Oo naman.
Diba?
Excited na ako sa upcoming wedding nila ni Steph Benito.
Oh yeah?
Oo, lapit na.
Wow. Congrats. Welcome to the club. Soon.
Shoutout ko na rin. King Stag, Arjan De La Cruz, kung nanonood ka man. Diba?
Ang bigat rin naman
Glory
kasi
days yun ng San
Glory
Sebastian
days ng Baste eh.
Ulysses Tanige, rest in peace.
Pero alam mo totoo when, us being Emiliolos, you see that drive right there by Kenneth Mocon. Siyempre, Beda at saka Baste, isa na yan sa mga rivalries din pagdating sa NCAA. Minsan yung makakasalubong mo sa recto, yun lang yun, walang ng uniform. Somehow you feel it even on the, when you go through recto. About this finish though by Jordan Santa Ana.
Kanina pa yan.
Pinapakinggan ko yung report ni Andrea. Alam mo, yung pronunciation, yung pag-accentuate mga certain words, it fits Twist of Fate. Kasi yung kay Jordan, 2 yun, di ba?
Yung nag-champion kasi San Juan, John Wilson. Ay, malakas. Sorry, mali pala ako. Nag-champion San Juan, hindi siya MVP noon. It was Gabanal. When they became a champion. Nung season 3, MVP siya. 104.90. We're just waiting the final score in this one. Gab Cometa with a putback. Tama. 44 points back in season 3 against the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Again, Mocon, pasa kay John Wilson. Mayor Keimer mintis yung kanyang 3-point shot. Jomel Landayan will put it in from beyond the arc. Gab Cometa, nice pass. Olazo, too strong, got it back. Natapik ni RV Berge. Landayan tries again. And that should do it. Basilan. That will not count, unfortunately, but